dopamine token right now. We will discuss more about their plan, their like how they works and everything. And here is our Kareem and Muhammad, our honorable guest today. So first of all, sir, could you please say about your role and also your background, and then you can explain about your project.
Sure. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, the call numbers. So I'm Karim Shaib. I'm the CEO of the Web3 Intelligence.com platform that power all the innovation, including the Dopamine app and the DOP token. The DOP token is a token which is a utility token that serves for businesses, banks, exchange, hedge funds to get access to our whole infrastructure by holding the token. They get access to a license model that gives them API access, source code access, and so on. And the token is also powering our super apps. And the one I'm going to show you today, which is the Dopamine app, which is a super app that encapsulate everything that we have built about Web3 for you to have it on your phone everywhere you are in the world. My background is an engineer, more than 25 years in deep industry finance, working for the biggest bank like UBS, Credit Suisse, and so on, Societe Generale, and so on. 2013 started deeply in the cryptography and management of the private keys for institutions. 2017 to 19 working for the world leading core banking system where we build the infrastructure to manage digital assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum at first. 2019 I joined as a chief crypto officer for a public blockchain working on interoperability between the blockchain using zero knowledge proof and MPC. And we built also a world standard in anti-money laundering. And all this technology, we really wanted to encapsulate it into our mobile app, the super app, the Dopamine app, that everybody can have access right now and download it into the store on Android or iOS. And as we're going to show you today, this app is really like a secret weapon that you need to get in order to ride the bull market.
Okay, yes, thank you, sir. Happy to know about yourself, your experience, so far. So I just want to know, like, I can see your screen. So, like, could you share more details actually about this app and also how it works and also your token?
Yeah, for sure. So this app has everything that you want to have. Like Jenny, let me ask you a question. Which kind of apps do you have right now on your phone regarding to crypto, if any?
Which kind of hub is that?
Yourself, do you have apps on your phone like you are holding crypto? Do you have like some apps on your phone for crypto?
Yes, yes, yes. I have like the Binance actually Trust Wallet so far. That's how I'm dealing with this. And also, yeah, I have the MetaMask.
So you have Binance, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Do you also use some pricing apps like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko?
No.
Okay. So you see, there is a lot of people that have like a lot of different apps in the crypto space, and some people they have like perhaps 10, 20, 30 different apps on their phone in order to follow the market. What we did is like one super app, which is like an upgrade for whatever you have. If you have a MetaMask or Trust Wallet, that's great. If you have Binance, that's great. But Dopamine come on top of it and manage everything that you want. So you manage all your wallets, whatever app you have, manage all your exchanges. And on top of that, it provides you price information, news, videos, podcast, move to earn, play to earn, everything. And I would say like the feature that I'm the most proud of is our data science module that help people to trade better and have better return of investment. If you want, I will be able to show you a bit of what the hub is doing. And for everybody which is
Yeah,
listening
for
to us,
sure.
great. So
Yeah, go
for
ahead.
for everybody which is listening to us right now, like they can go to the Play Stores, App Store, Google Store, and then they search for Dopamine, and then they should find the Dopamine app and install it on your phone right now. Why you should install it on your phone right now is because you're going to be able to follow me on some trades. We have a trading competition, which is open for you. It's free. You will be able to trade with $100,000 paper money. And the winners of this trading competition are going to receive prize from our host today. So just enter it, and then you will be able to learn how to use the app. see by yourself if the app is bringing you value in terms of trading, if you're able to make money. And at the end of the competition, it's fake money that you have been trading is going to convert to real money. So jump on, install the app, and play with us. So Jenny, now that
Yes, sir.
now that the introduction has been done, perhaps it's time for me to show you a bit how we work. So in terms of data science, what we do is we aggregate all the information and we apply some magic into it that give you information for you to know when to enter a trade and when to close a trade and so on. And it's very easy. People that do leverage trading know that most of the interface are quite counterintuitive, and we wanted something that even a beginner can understand. There is two main lines into this kind of speedometer. So people know speedometer because they have cars. And you have a yellow line and a blue line. The yellow line represents the ideal entry, so the moment you should be entering. And the blue line is a current price. So if the blue line is before the yellow line on the left side or on top of the yellow line, then that's great. That means like the science is saying, yeah, you should enter the trade. If the blue line has moved past the yellow line, then you should be careful. So let me show you something quickly with, for example, Link. It's a bit of a hold signals. I don't have fresh one coming right now at this exact seconds. But Link, blue line is before, even if it's a hold signal, I press on it, I swipe, everything is configured for me, and then the trade is placed immediately, and I can see right now my trade in real time, and I can close it just by a swipe of a button. You see, I just did that in front of you. Even if it was the old signals that should not have performed so well, I managed to do $75 in 10 seconds. So that's how it works. Very intuitive interface, very easy that you can configure as you want, configure your bots, put the leverage that you want. But if you use a default setting, you should be already fine and be able to play and join the competition. So let me check if we have people that join the competition. Yes, we have already people inside that join. Let's see. And you can see right now, like the people that are entering the competition already managed to do money. Let me see. We have more than 50 people. And if you see right now, till the rank 42, people are already net positive, which is quite amazing. So let me see, where am I myself in the trading competition? I am 15. Let's see if I can catch up and go back up the leaderboard. At the same time, showing you how the functionality is working. So the shrimp package is our most basic package. You can use it for free and learn how to use the app. And when you know how to use the app and you see for yourself, yes, it works and it make you a better trader, then you can connect with your exchanges, Bitgate, Gate, Binance, BitMEX, Bybit, and OKX, and we're going to add much more exchanges here. So the token is a utility token that power all this technology and that you need to buy on the centralized exchange where we are listed right now. It's on Bitgate, on Gate, and on MEXC. We just launched. And we launched at a fair price. So you can buy it, take the token, send it directly to your wallet. So to send it to your wallet, you go to your wallets, you say, I want to receive my DOP token from my centralized exchange. It gives you your public key, which is on Solana. So you're able to send your dopamine token directly into the app. And then you are able to unlock this package that I'm going to show you right now, which are called the Shark and the Killer Whale. The Shark is like the shrimp, but it has much more time frame. So you're able to do much more things. For example, you see BNT short. There is a little short on BNT, which it's a bit on the edge, 7-minute time frame, 6 minutes, but I'm going to enter anyway. I press on it, I swipe, and that's it. And I entered my trade, so I can actually look in real time what is my trade doing, and I will wait for a bit of price action to see that. I can see in the same time if there is some other trade that are interesting. I can see, you see mask, the current price is already a bit above the ideal entry. So I will take in normal time with real money, I will not enter this trade. But just for the sake of the demo, I will do it. Let's see. Like it doesn't matter because it's paper money. So if I lose something, it's just fake money, you know. And let's see if I'm able to climb back the ranking of this trading competition. So you see, my trade on Mask is now doing a bit of profit. I will let them sleep a bit while I'm going to show you the other package. So the shark enable for you all those data science for trading for all the time frame. Then we have the killer whale. Killer whale is quite crazy. It's the equivalent of what you have like in the traditional finance as being baskets, you know, baskets of assets. So if you are rich and you are having a lot of wealth, you go to a hedge fund or wealth manager and he will tell you, yep, you should invest and diversify your portfolio in X asset, let's say 12, 15, 5, 7 assets, and they will take your money and place your money into these different company and shares. Here, it's a bit of the same, but on crypto. So we are able to tell you 1 week in advance what the data science is predicting. And you see, for example, the Friday signals were already generating 226%. The other one, 307%. And this is with on basis here 12 assets, and you can see them. What are the 12 assets that were actually meant to be pumping? And this one, it was on a lot more assets. And what you do if you want to invest on it, for example, there is a fresh signal that came today, which is really fresh, so it's good. I can enter it right now. It just started, and I will invest on it. To invest on it, I click it and I say I want to put $100 on this 11 assets. Perhaps we should see what are these assets. People are interested to know what we believe is going to pump within a week. And you have Raven, CVX, Dash, Neo. Oh, Neo, long time we did not saw it. One, KNC, ELV. I don't know even this asset, but I don't really care. I trust the data science myself, and I will put $100 on it. And now by doing so, my position is being placed on all of these assets and is being managed with, how do you call that, risk management and everything. In the same times, you can see that I took a trade on BNT, which is already net positive. So I'm going to close it. You know, I don't want to be greedy. And I can see, yep, on my history already, like my trades. And you see like all the trades that I'm doing right now, like are green. You know, I'm already always positive. So sometimes you have some trade that doesn't work, but you see like the statistic show that they are quite a good result. So I will really like insist on you testing it by yourself. You know, don't trust verify. So these things about killer whale, this package is really like a really powerful feature because you just say how much you want to put on this on those cryptos, and you invest, and basically you wait for a couple of days to a week because that's a weekly signals, and you let them what they have to do. They will take care of managing your risk and take the profit when needed, and also exceed the position if it doesn't work. So you have a good risk management. Um, on top of the killer whale, I'm going to show you like another feature which is unlocked with the DOP token. Is a community. Jenny, are you a trader yourself or no?
No, I'm not a trader actually. I just doing like a community management work and also hosting and others. Like our like we have some kind of people like our owner. He do trades actually, but not
Yes.
me.
Okay. Okay. And is that something that for you is like understandable? Like you just have to look for two lines, a blue line and a yellow line. And if the blue line is on the left side of the yellow line, you enter the trade. Like, does it seems like understandable, even if you're not a trader?
Okay, got it.
So you see like blue line on the left side of the yellow line, it's all signals, but I don't care. I click on it at price, bam, the trade is already positioned. And you see
Oh,
that's a
it's very
what?
easy. Yeah, just like one click.
Yes, and then another click to close the position, and bam, that's already done. Profit. I did $300 in front of you in 8 seconds. So you know we make these things very easy for people that are like even newbies, you know. And I have inside the app like this risk management. It's mean like even you know like if the trade doesn't work as well, um, it closes a position with a stop loss, which is like pre-configured to lose the minimum amount of money. Here, I just lost $2 on a $10,000 trade, which is like fully acceptable. You know, that's a 0.002%, so it's great. And let me show you like this functionality that I was just mentioning before, the community trades. Like for everybody which is listening to us that are like traders and have a community or want to build a community, you can create trades and you can define every parameter and you can say if people want to unlock my trade, they have to pay for it. Like let's see here, there is a trade from Alex. I can unlock it, and if I want to get access to this trade, I have to pay $5 in dope. And how does it work? This money goes directly to the publisher. And if you want to start publishing your trades and make money by publishing cool trades, you create your profile. Here, you put your picture, you have all your stats. People can verify what is your statistics, what are the pairs that you're trading, what are the open position that you have, the close position, and your return of investment. And here you create a trade. So, what is your preferred coin, Jenny, right now?
Sorry, could you please repeat once again?
Yes, what is the coin that you like the most yourself?
Right now, obviously, BDC, I can say the price is very high.
Yeah, so let's do a BTC trade. Perhaps you want to put a little leverage because you don't want to take too much risks. You want to put a 5x leverage. You want to configure your stop loss and your take profit. And just before taking the trade, you're going to publish it and you're going to say you want people to give you $10 every time they want to use your trade. In order to see the cool trade that you have published, they're going to send you $10 in dope. And you have a little publishing fee of $4, which means like if 50,000 people out of our 3.7 million users are taking your trade, you are taking $10 times 50,000, you are getting to your wallet directly $500,000 just by publishing a trade and having people to jump into the same trade, willing to copy your information. So you are able to make money just by publishing cool trades and building your community. And if you are like a good trader and you are creating signals, let's say 4 or 5 signals every day, just publishing it as easy as I'm showing you, then you can multiply the amount of money by the number of users and the price that you define. So you're able to make quite a lot of money becoming like a good trader that people want to follow. So that's a really cool feature that you get also on the Killer Whale package. And to unlock the feature that I'm showing, Shark, Killer Whale, and Community, you buy the DOP token on the exchanges, centralized exchange, Bitgate, Gate, and MEXC. You send the DOP token to your Dopamine wallet, and then you are able to unlock all of this feature by consuming the DOP token. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you for explaining very detailed one by one step.
Sure, sure. So let's have a look on the competition. People are on the competition and are right now making money. Odium is leading the pack. So let me show you the rest of the app, what it does, because this one, I really like it myself as a money-making engine. But there is a lot of other functionality that the app is covering. So if you go to the finance tab here, you will be able to see that you are able to manage all your wallets. If you have like Trust Wallet or MetaMask or whatever, you are able to manage all these wallets and stay custodian. That means like all the funds belongs to you. You are the owner of the private keys and the seed phrase that belongs to you. But from one app, you're able to manage all the wallets and all the centralized exchanges. One thing that you can see is like any point of time, you can see at the top your total balance of through all the wallets and all the networks. And you have this A+ score that tell you how clean your wallet is. You know, this is a anti-money laundering technology that we built for banks that we gave to the hand of the users to get sure that they realize that they need to keep their wallet clean, you know, for compliance, for regulation. If they want to buy a Lamborghini or a house, if they want to cash out at some point, they need to get sure that their wallet stay clean. And we decided to put this technology inside the hand of everybody. You're able to receive tokens, to send tokens, to do swap with best execution engine through the different blockchain. You will always get the best price, and you're able to do also spot trading and leverage trading, centralized and decentralized. All of that is on the finance section, where you can also check the markets. Again, you can see a breakdown of all your different wallets with the different assets that you have inside and the performance that they are having. You can see all the bubbles. Um, you can even see them in real time moving depending on the price, or like say, I want to see how was the bubbles reacting, in the last hours, and you can see and replay what was the action. You can see that Theta and Phantom, they were pumping. You can really see what is happening on the market, and you can basically, just looking at the bubbles, identify coins that are going to be pumping or dropping. You have all the coins, you can search them, you can define your own alerts by percentage move or by price target. You can see what are the coins that are performing, the heroes, but also like the coins that are not performing. You can manage all your NFTs, get also information about the traditional data markets. And then what you see here is our conviction about real world assets and supporting them, because we have compliance inbuilt inside the app, where you're able to invest into shares of companies, real estate, everything which is meant to be real world assets, which is a narrative that BlackRock is pushing. Also invest into new projects compliantly with compliant IDOs platforms, and also the connection to the real world banking system, as our background is to build a system for banks. So that's a part of the finance. You finally have the media and fun part, which give you a 360 view of your dashboard that you can fully configure and decide if you want to put in the dashboard on top of it the videos or the fear and greed or the price of Bitcoin. You can configure everything to have like all the information that you need at first sight. You have then all the videos from all the YouTubers and crypto influencer populated in real time, and you get a summary which is translated in your language. Jenny, what is your native language? Is that English?
Not really. You can see Hindi. Actually, I'm from India, so that's how.
Look, great. So let's say you want to know what this guy said, and let's say you don't speak English too good, but you have a friend speak Hindi, then you can have like the translation and the summary of what the guy was saying directly in Hindi. You can see?
Yes, that's cool. I think anyone can translate their native language, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. So basically, you can take a video which was created, for example, in Chinese or Russian or German, and you can understand what this guy saying directly into your native language to get sure that you understand it. If you don't speak German, but this German YouTuber is providing some alpha about a project, there is no reason for you to not know that just because you don't speak German. So that's why, like, we are bringing you the tools to get sure that everybody can really understand everything regarding the crypto space. Then let me show you the podcast. So I don't know if you like podcast and so on, but if you like podcast and you want to be able to listen to podcast and understand what people are speaking about the space, the crypto space, you can listen to the podcast, and in the same time, you can read some news. So right now I'm putting a podcast and I will be reading some news about Ethereum. You see? Or I can go back trading and keep on listening to my podcast and see my positions. So basically, it's a really like a multitask type of app where you're able to do everything at the same time to really optimize the time during the bull market. Um, and again, on the media and fund section, you have the fund section where you can play games and earn crypto directly to your wallet. So I will be playing like Space Wars. I don't know if you know, like, or basketball, but yeah, I am playing. And every time I'm shooting a Bitcoin, as you see, I'm getting crypto directly to my wallet. So, instead of playing a stupid game that doesn't bring anything, I can get money directly, Baby Doge directly to my wallet. Let's see if I get it. Yes. And I got 15 Baby Doge directly to my wallet, just having fun. And we have many other games, and one game is also like um, NFT live battle. We distributed more than 1.1 million NFTs in the last 3 weeks, and we had more than 600,000 live NFT battle on chain, where people were playing NFT against NFT. And for example, Jenny, if you play against me and your NFT is stronger than mine, then I will get your NFT. And if my NFT is stronger than yours, then I will get yours. And we have a ranking, and then the people that are on the top of the leaderboard get prize money, to have fun, So we have play to earn, we have move to earn, where you can connect to Google Fit or iOS Fit or Strava, and you can get also rewards. So move to earn, play to earn. I said all the media content, news, everything customizable, all the market data, management of centralized exchange, management of decentralized exchange, plus the data science and AI trading, which is like the most amazing feature that I know. And if somebody knows something better, I would like to hear that. But that's what we are providing right now, Jenny. Right now, I don't see some specific signals. It seems that Bitcoin is a bit of a sideways, no big move right now. But perhaps we will be lucky enough to hear the little sound that make ding and show us that there is like some new trades to be taken. So let's wait a bit, and perhaps you have some more questions for me.
Okay, yeah, thank you. I think you explained everything very, very well and clearly. So, no more question from mine. Like you explained everything. I just want to know, like, what is the long-term goal with this app actually, and also with this project? Can you share actually, and also, in like you explained, although like which part of people can use it and others, but can you share like what is the future goal, and also do you have any kind of more development plan or not?
Yeah, sure. So right now, our goal is to evangelize the use of the app to get sure that everybody, even if they are illiterate or like they don't have a lot of knowledge on trading or like the crypto space, that they can really understand what the app can do for them, to help them to really build wealth. And that's our goal. So that's mean onboarding KOLs, YouTubers, doing press release, marketing campaigns, and to really like spread the world through the world to show everything that the app can do, because the app is really like a powerhouse in order to really do maximum amount of money during this bull market. So that's our definitely our number one goals right now. And then in terms of product, you saw I showed you like the connection with the banking, the IDO platform, compliant IDO platform, and the real world asset management. And if you think like even longer term, you see on this app, you really have everything possible on the Web3 space. But when we look at Vision Pro, that's the thing that Apple has released. Oh, you heard some noise. Yeah? I think I heard some noise. So let me see if I found the signals that just popped up. Yeah, you see there is like a matic signals on the 30-minute time frame. I was a bit slow, but let me take it anyway. Low leverage, 20x leverage, but you see it's already generating profit for me. I'm going to let it ride because it's a 30-minute signal, so there is no reason to rush. I'm going to let it do what it has to do and then collect the profit out of it. So this is really like the core of what we do, like really bringing this information in real time for the people to milk the market as much as possible. You still see my screen? Hello, hello. Can you still hear me? Jenny, I don't know if the connection drops.
Yeah, I'm here. So yeah, thank you for this. And also, people, I'd like to say download their app if possible, and also make trade, and also you can do everything. Yeah, thank you. So let me take one more question from my end. So like I can see a little question. Like, if I talk more about like what is the main motivation actually to like behind this project to start actually, could you share?
Yeah. Can you repeat the question? Sorry, I was like trying to get the.
Yeah, like what is your motivate? Like, what was your motivation behind this project?
Yeah. So since I entered the crypto space with the team, like our motivation was always to build the best solution to really help people everywhere in the world to use crypto. So when we were helping banks to manage crypto and digital assets, our goal was really to provide the system for the e-banking for grandmother to be able to buy crypto very easily. And now, like you can see, like the first bank rolling out the product. And now our goal is really to show people these tools, which are normally like institutional tools, for them to be able to make money on their own. Let me try to reshare my screen now because I think you don't see my screen right now, no?
I can see, no worries. I can see your screen.
You can't see, yeah? So let me try to reshare. I don't know if that's gonna work. Uh, yeah, I think now it's better, no?
Yeah, I can see as I mentioned. No worries. Go ahead.
Great, great, great. So you see, like, it's quite important I show you that because you see, like, you remember Matic? We opened the position just before, $450. And I'm going to close it right now in real time. And you can see I did this Matic trade, 5%, not being greedy, taking it 2 minutes in the trade. And now I can also see that the basket that normally are for a 1 week time frame are starting to yield profit. So you see, for example, here on this basket of 8 assets, I already have like more than 5% profit. You see, it's not bad at all. So I could definitely close it by just pressing this button, and I will be milking more profits. And this one the same. But I'm going to let them run because this one are signals that you let for a couple of days to a week, and that generate like return of investments that are like above 200%. So I'm gonna let that run a bit. And what I was saying about before, like the what you call the long-term plan is really to get sure that we bring the dopamine app also into Vision Pro and this kind of headset where people will be able to see through these glasses a real life, but in the same time still be immersed in managing their finance wherever they are. Guys, join us on the trading competition. Mhm. We have more people joining right now in real time, which is great. So yeah, join us, download the app, and let us know how efficient you found this information and this tool for you to improve your trade. Jenny, do you have some more nice question for me?
Not really. As I mentioned, you explained everything in previously actually. Okay, so let me find out is there any question from. Okay, so like you can say what is your marketing plan rather than this email, like to more make popular your project or your app over the crypto space.
Yeah, that's a very good question. So, in terms of marketing plan now, like the agency that we have onboarded and the YouTubers that we have onboarded, we are teaching them how to use the app and explain really in depth what is our vision and why we are doing it. Why is the most important part, and as I said before, like the why is really to provide the tools that people need to have in order to be the most efficient on the market and make the most amount of money and wealth. So onboarding of YouTubers, press releases, marketing agencies, that's what we are working on right now. And at the same time, we are producing a lot of content to really take the newbie by the hand and show them how they can use this tool in a very efficient manner.
Okay, yeah, good to know. So yeah, thank you, sir. I think we are enough for now. Actually, this the time for Ramadan. I have to go for my iftar, so that's why I'm asking. But right now, I can like if you want to add more on this session, like any important news you want to share with me before wrapping or anything else.
Sure. So I would invite everybody right now to go into the centralized exchange to get sure that they get hold of the dopamine token, which is the utility of the app, not in order to speculate, but really to use the token to get access to these features and to really unlock these functionalities and really own the product as such by using it and really taking value out of it. We definitely believe that everybody that use the app is going to be amazed about what it brings in terms of knowledge, but also like in terms of return of investment. If you have a killer whale package and you're able to enter this type of multi-trade, you will see like it's really really powerful. Like you can see like the return of investments are already crazy. You know, like it's quite rare that without having an understanding that you're able to yield that much profit within a week time frame. You know, in the same time, if you have any feedbacks or if you need any help on being onboarded, join us on our Twitter, Telegram, and you will have somebody to help you. We have a 24-hour support to help you getting sure that we reply to all your questions. And yeah, I would say that's mainly it. And the cool stuff is enter the trading competition. It's free, and that's the best way for you to learn how to use it. You know, because you can make mistake. It doesn't matter. Everything is paper money. Um, you can also reset your balance. You know, like if you lose your money, your paper money, you can reset the balance and start fresh and deploy new strategy and keep on learning. We do think that playing is really the best way to learn, and that's why like we are gamifying all these trading tournaments. We're gonna launch most probably an initiative based on a meme coin that we're gonna couple with these trading tournaments. So if you want to know more, just join our social, and you're gonna have fun. That's probably gonna be something looking like this with our meme coin that is going to power the Dope Nation and the Donuts Army.
Okay, yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Best wishes to your project for the future. Dopamine, as also I can see like you're adding a lot of investigation. So yeah, thank you. Best wishes to your project for the future. As I mentioned, people check out and make your own research. If you have any question and query, you can ask for their social media link. You'll find it in our Coinverse lab. So thank you, sir, for having here once again. I would like to thank you, everyone. I have to go as I mentioned. Yeah, that's all from mine. Thank you, sir, once again.
Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you, Conlab, for having us. And yeah, have fun, trade well, and enjoy dopamine. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.
You too. Bye.